What's up, YouTube? It's been a couple of days. I've been trying to get back to this YouTube, but life just be lifing. So right now, the portfolio is down a whole lot of money, a whole lot of money. Right now we're at 159. Let's see for the week again, guys. We are down 0% for the one month. We're down 41%. For 3 months, we're down 50%. Year to date, we're down 39%, and year we're up 8%. And all time, we are up 448%. I have a lot of plays going on here. Another video play that's going to end this month soon. Soundhound play is still going on, so I can't do no Soundhound play, and it might be a while anyways. Because once you see the price of Soundhound, you'll be like, "Oh my gosh!" So far, so I messed up on this. This was supposed to be with this play, so I'm getting literally $1 for this. I don't even know why. I tried to cancel it, but it is what it is. I'll get that dollar. Then this one, I was just trying to get $30 off SoFi because they might be joining the SP 500. Hopefully they do, and hopefully the stock price does something on that news. Hopefully they go past $30. But I'm only getting like $30 for this play. Hood, I did that play today because Hood had not the best earnings, which sucks, especially in this market when earnings really counts. So I got my $1,000 on Hood. I'm just gonna go aggressive because I think we might have some more downturn to Hood. Now I'm not selling my Hood. I just feel like, right now, Hood's just gonna go through some. You might have your ups and downs, and this might just be one of those down years or just a down quarter. Who knows? But all in all, I know Hood is a good company, so I'm gonna keep them in my portfolio, and I'm gonna keep buying them in my other accounts. Palantir, that's going to end in March, so I got a while from that. I should have done a bigger play on Palantir if I knew what I know now with the market, which I didn't know. And then I had to buy call on Palantir, which I'm negative 1,000, but that's out for a whole year, so that should be good there. And then my SoFi, that's 2 years, so I'm not really worried about SoFi because I feel like that will triple double by the 2028. So hopefully it does. I'm thinking it will. Now, position wise, Palantir 134. It's down a lot. Hood, even though they had bad earnings, I was expecting more downfall from them, but they're still holding 78. They did get a lot of the analysts did downgrade them, but it's still like 125, 130. I mean, they downgraded them from like 150, 160, which is I'm fine by that. If 135 and 120, and that's an upgrade, then by all means, cool. I feel like that's normal. So SoFi, $20. SoFi it's having a rough time, and for no reason at all. Nvidia, 190. Nvidia, man, it's keeping my portfolio up right now. I mean, it's really not, but it is. I think the whole market needs Nvidia just to have stellar earnings and to make the market go in a different direction. But also the sentiment needs to change on the whole tech sector and spending and stuff like that. Zeta, I didn't buy any Zeta, but $16. So if you don't have Zeta, I mean, it's a good time to double down some Zeta. Now I'm getting demolished on Sound. I really wish I probably had 1,000 Zeta than Soundhound right now, but it is what it is. So I won't be able to do no play on Soundhound for a while. Hopefully they keep having good earnings or something, or we'll see. I mean, maybe they'll have stellar earnings and go up to $15. I think, and then I'm probably going to sell out of Soundhound. My plan, which I've been doing this anyways, but you live and you learn when it comes to this game, is to always have a growth dividend slow stock that's going to keep performing and doing what it needs to do. And that would be the one we'll get to in a few. So Grab had not the best earnings either. So yeah, they're down, but hopefully they go back up a little bit. And tomorrow, hopefully, because I'm going to start doing some cover. I don't know why I wasn't even doing cover calls on Grab, really. But I'm going to start doing some cover calls on Grab, getting something from it, better than nothing. And going from there with Grab. Orbs, yeah. Orbs is cheap. I don't really care. They can do what they do. But my plan is to sell Orbs, Grab, Soundhound, and put those guys into SCHD, right? I know a lot of dividend and growth people, dividend and value investors love SCHD, and this year SCHD is finally performing. But I've been buying SCHD this year, and I just randomly decided to start, putting some in because I was liking what it was doing when the market was tanking. SCHD was actually thriving in this market. So I was like, that's not bad, man. Having a hedge against that. And then on the opposite side, when the market, the other side is thriving and people want growth, SCHD will be decreasing. But all in all, it won't be losing super value, and it's paying a dividend every quarter. So it's a good one to have in the portfolio. Let's see. Do I get paid a dividend too? I think so. See, I do a weekly buy of $20. I might have to up that now because right now SCSD is $30. But I was just putting in $5 every week. Let's go down here. Maybe we can see my history. History right here. So, I bought 2 shares here. 20 right here. Let's see, 20, 20, 20, 20. I upped it to 20 after I was like, let me just up it 20. So 5, 5, 5. I've been doing 5 for a while. Reinvested some 20. Yeah, that's when I got paid from them. I got $20 and reinvested that. Invested from the dividend, so that's good. It's almost getting a share. Hopefully, this payout gets me a share, and I'll just buy it and then let that compound. I know people love that word, compounding. But yeah, it's been buying some. I've been buying for a while. Reinvesting, buying. So this is nothing new to my portfolio. And I even got in when they did the split. You can't see it because the way I'm recording, but right below this is a split right here. So, and then once they go up again, they'll do another split, and we'll go from there. But yeah, that's doing pretty good. I haven't showed y'all my retirement account, but we could dive into it. Let's see. So $4,000 in the retirement account. I'm doing something different in this account. I'm not sure. It's really not different than anybody else's portfolio. But in this account, I'm just getting more fractional shares than anything of some good companies. And you see I'm still buying Hood, still buying Palantir in this account. And I'm showing people that you can do this with no money because I don't have any money. I'm broke. I mean, I'm literally getting my paycheck. I'll buy a share, and then when these dividend ETFs pay out, I'll put some of those into some of these. But for Amazon and Netflix, I go my way, and I just started this like this week or last week. Buying 1 share of Netflix, I'll buy 1 share of Amazon. These are on repeat. This gets weekly, $50 weekly. I know it's crazy, dumping at 50. And then this one's every month gets $50 dumped into it. And then between all of these right here, it's $100 split up into all of them. And then this top one, which is $30, I just will dump some money into. Actually, no, I think I have recurring on this one too. Let's see. I saw somebody talking about this, and I was like, you know what? Why not? Can't go wrong with ET. You really can't go that wrong with ETFs that are holding like companies like Apple, Microsoft, Berkshire Hathaway, Tesla, Eli, Amazon, Broadcom. You can't really go wrong. Um, I think I have a recurring on this too. If I could find where that's at. I don't know if it even show me here. I think it's like $20. Oh, $5. Yeah, so $5 every month into this one, and it won't take long to get a share because every shares are only $30. It's brand new. Just this one just made it on the market, so we're just gonna see how it's gonna perform over time. Netflix, I just feel like I need Netflix in my account, man. I don't even know why. It's something about Netflix. I don't know, but I'm gonna build up Netflix. I'm gonna build up Amazon's account and Microsoft, and I'm just gonna do fractional shares because this account is gonna be a slow builder but I mean, now I'm not saying Netflix and Amazon and Microsoft they can do something, and I do still who have Palantir and Hood in this account too to give me some explosive growth. But then I got the slow guys in here just doing what they need to do, and yeah, so hopefully we'll see how this count looks at the end of the year. Maybe we'll get it up, pretty high. Maybe we won't. I don't know. We don't know what this market's going to do this year. Hopefully, it's another bull market and tech gets back to what they need to get back to. Yeah. And let's see. I want to see this feature. There's a cool feature on the app. I'm not sure if it's on the desktop. No, it's on the desktop. There's a cool feature on the app where you can check the macro, like the heat wave, or what's up and what's down on what sector. And it's a pretty cool thing. Pretty cool. Oh yeah, I forgot. Let's talk about crypto. XRP 137. I had XRP for so long it doesn't even matter at this point. Ethereum Classic is at $8. Let's see anything else. ETH. Oh, people ETH are getting destroyed. Oh, let's go to the down here. See what's a BMNR $20. Whew. Yeah, my friend, he got destroyed in his account. He actually got margin called, which sucks ass, man. Ooh, sorry for my language, but it sucks. And yeah, he had to sell all his shares. But it's cool. He's no margin. Started from ground one again. It's not stopping him. He knows what to do. And yeah, just keep on grinding. Can't never stop. Oh, look at this news right here. Forget Sound AI. This enterprise AI sock is turning government contracts into cash machines. I think they're talking about Palantir. And are they? Let's see. Military. What stock are they talking about here? It didn't say. I would assume it's Palantir. Yes, Palantir. But I got both, so I'm not complaining on that. So Amcor is a good one. A lot of people, some people have Amcors. It's doing pretty good. I just can't get into it right now because I ain't got the bread. But I just realized, like, sometimes it's good to get a stock that is just, it's not flashy, but it just grows, right? For example, now in this market, Verizon. Remember I was talking about Verizon. I wanted to get some Verizon. I might put this in my dividend account that I'm building up from scratch too. I think I got money spread out too thin, but you know. Also, I think it's sometimes good to spread it out so everything's not in one sector or one basket. So yeah, I got my value is in my retirement, and I got one value in my regular account, and then I have a dividend account which I'm gonna build up, and that dividend account should build up a little bit faster than the value stock, but the growth. But we'll see. So yeah, Verizon's doing good, man. They pay an okay dividend, and it's doing good in these down markets with this tech sector being down. Navitas $8. Let's see. Oakley's getting murdered. Oakley is $66. Iran, people like Iran, $42. APLD, I can't believe I had APLD at $9 now. It's 36, higher than SoFi. Craziness. Archer, $7. Let's see. Rocket Lab is 69. Okay, Rivian going back down to usual. App Loving had good earnings, I think. I'm pretty sure, but still got hit. What am I looking for here? There was something. Oh, whoever's in the hymns. I just feel sorry for whoever's in the hymns right now. This hymns is getting destroyed. But one of the stocks I saw one of these YouTubers talk about is Walmart, man. And when I'm looking at Walmart, I mean, right now they're doing pretty good right now. But like, if we go like 1 year, all right, it started at like 105. They dropped to 83. And, you know, they've just been steady growing. And if we do the 5 years, that's not bad. See, I mean, you know, if you just kept buying Walmart, go do ups, it just keeps going up. You know? And let's see their PE ratio. I don't think they're overvalued or anything. See if I can even find that. I don't know where it's even at. They didn't have earnings yet, though. When did they have earnings? Oh, they already had their earnings. Oh, yeah. No, they 19th. I was trying to see where the PE is at, but I don't know if it's on here. We don't have one. Or maybe it's easier to see this on the app. But yeah, guys, that is it for this video. You know, you learn a lot in these markets. Hopefully we can turn back around, because when we do, there are some things I'm telling. SoundHound for sure, Grab for sure. I was never 100%, like, I didn't have the really conviction on these. And really, to be honest with you, if you don't have the conviction, you don't need them in your portfolio. All right. And if you're using margin, please, guys, don't over leverage yourself. Okay. I mean, I'm in some good quality ones, so it's holding my ground. And I know these guys will go back around. And these are the ones I like. And also, like, I thought I wanted to go above getting 1,000 shares for like some of these companies, but really, I think 1,000, 2,000 shares is a good number to have for a bunch of these companies, unless you really got super conviction, like I got in SoFi. And I could keep buying more, but and the only reason why I did this for Grab because it's dirt cheap. It looks like Grab's trying to go back up in the after hours, but I'm gonna start doing some plays on Grab. I was gonna end this video. Now I'm still talking. Yeah, I'm gonna start doing some plays on Grabs. Let's see, go out March 13th, since they already had their earnings, and I'm gonna start doing some. I don't even care. I'll do right here at $5, $5.10, and let's see how much. It's not a lot, but if I continue, I got 3,000 shares. Oh my gosh, I gotta type this. Is it allow right now? I got 30 shares, and I can get like $300. So I'm about to start adding Grab into the mix of my options. I don't know why I wasn't doing it. Grab has been stagnant. I could at least been grabbing like $300 at least. So I'm not even. But hey, you live, you learn. So I'm gonna start doing that on Grab and getting at least 300 from them, and then because it's still not that far off from their where my average is. I am below my average. I could go a little bit above, but it doesn't matter that much. But I think actually when I do that play tomorrow on Grab, I'll probably just put that in SCHD, get that 100 shares. I don't know why it takes people so long to get. Well, I'm doing options, so there's that. But I don't think it's going to take me that long to get SCHD to 1,000 shares. I mean, I might be tripping, but I think it'll be pretty easy to get it up there. Let's see if I I was gonna buy, not in dollars, in shares, it'd be like, yeah, 30,000, I think. 31,000. Yeah. I'm pretty sure I can get there pretty quick. But all right, guys, I'm just rambling and talking. I will see y'all guys in the next video. Peace out.